All right, some Linux news for Chromebooks and Steam as of January 1st, 2026. No more Steam for Chromebooks. Now, if you didn't know it, Chromebooks run Chrome OS, a Linux distribution based on Gen 2 Linux that Google has heavily modified for mainstream use. The kernel and underlying architecture remain close to Linux, but Google has stripped away most of the traditional desktop-related bits in favor of their web-centric approach. So why have they done this? Well, most people or most Windows users wanting to try Linux want a hassle-free experience. So many people prefer these devices over Linux or Windows-equipped devices due to hassle-free support, quick or tight integration with the Google ecosystem, and quick boot times. In plain newbie English, buy a Chromebook and no Linux bugs. That's basically what they're trying to say here. However, Chromebooks never really were designed for gaming. I mean, higher-end Chromebooks can do gaming, but I have a Chromebook. It's great. I don't game on a Chromebook. I run it because in a Chromebook, I never have to use the Linux terminal to fix anything. All right, so I have some quick notes here about all this. So Google has confirmed that support for Steam for Chromebooks beta program will end January 1st, 2026, the conclusion of a 4-year initiative. Steam for Chromebooks shut down. The official notice, now visible to users attempting to launch Steam, states the beta program will conclude on January 1st. All right. User options post-shutdown. Chromebook users will have to rely on other gaming methods, such as the Google Play Store for Android games, though the library is significantly smaller than Steam's. The primary alternative for accessing PC-quality games is cloud gaming services. Once again, it is a Chromebook, and such as NVIDIA GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and so on. All right, so the background and reasoning. The Steam integration for Chrome OS was part of Google's 2022-2023 gaming Chromebook push, which included hardware improvements and partnerships with cloud gaming platforms. Despite initial interest, the program faced challenges due to a number of reasons: a very small selection of titles, 99 titles, and a lack of GPU acceleration in the Linux environment. Google has stated that the feedback from the beta will inform the future of Chromebook gaming with potential directions including more powerful hardware and so on. And that's it. So in the meantime, if you are heavily into Linux gaming, don't buy a Chromebook. It wasn't designed for that. But then again, for a $200 machine with 10 years of official support, yeah, gaming just isn't part of it. If you like gaming, you can just stick with Linux distributions like Ubuntu, what you see here, and there are others. That's all I have for this one. Happy gaming. It's morning. It's time for my coffee. Arrivederci.